The website I'm talking about is Sunpower investment platform. This platform pays you every 1 hour for investing in solar power or solar panel. They are into solar panel business. They use the money to power homes and offices. But they give you back your investment for investing with them. For every investment you put, you can start with 4,000, 10,000, 200, 1 million. It depends on how much you can afford. Then these are some of my earnings. You can see 190, 198, 98, 2393, all power. They are coming in. So it's actually real. You can get money every day, make up to 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 naira every day with this investment platform. So before we start, let me give you a warning. Please don't invest money that you cannot afford to lose in this platform. It's a platform that I've just been experimenting for some weeks now. So please, if you want to start with it, start with amount of money you can afford to lose. So let's go into the platform proper and let me explain to you how to get started, 4 different ways to make money, even sometimes without investing your time. So let's go into the video proper. The first thing is to get registered, and to get registered, click the link in the description of this video and then it brings you to this page. When you get to this page, you input your phone numbers, you input your password, you input your username, and then you submit. When you submit, you get to this dashboard that looks like this. This dashboard, the first thing to do is to verify your phone number or email. So click on this verify your phone, and then it brings you to this page, and you put in your phone number and then you click send. So they will send you a code that you would put here and click binding. Once you click binding, then you will get verified. But please don't pay any money on this platform until you are verified. And how do you know that you are verified? When you log into your dashboard, it will show like this, and you go down, look at that place that says me, or that they put the picture of human being with me. Click on it. When you click on it, it will come out like this. If you are verified, you will see on top of it, you will see ID number, then you will see your account number. But if you don't see ID number, then you are not verified. But once you see ID number, then you are verified. So the next thing is to go and recharge, so that you can start purchasing equipment that will give you investment, or you go to investment points to make money. When you click on the home button will look like this. When you come down, you will see home, you will see purchase all, you will see forum, you will see me. These are the buttons you need. But let's start from the button. The first thing to do is to recharge, so that you can have money in your wallet. So when you click on recharge, it will take you to this place. Then you click recharge. Once you click recharge, then it will bring you this place. So you can select the amount of money you want to recharge. You can recharge 10,000, 30,000, 50,000. Or if you are using USDT, you can click USDT. But because we are in Nigeria, we are using Naira now, you click the one you want, whether 8,000, 5,000, 3,000, 20,000. So you click, now I want to do 10,000, I click 10,000. It brings me this page. Then I will click bank transfer. If it's that you want to use your card, you click card. If you want to use USSD, you use. But me, I want to use USSD or bank transfer or card. If it's card, when you click card, it means you put your card details. But if you want to use transfer, click on transfer. It gives you the account number. You copy it. You go to your bank. You don't close this place. So just go and do the transfer. Once you do the transfer, then you come back and click I have paid. So let's come back now. So once you click I have made the payment, your account will be automatically updated. Then you go to your wallet to see if it's there. Once it is there, you can now go to purchase all to buy your investment. So once the money is in your wallet now, the next thing to do is to come to your home page and look at the button down that says purchase all. Click on that purchase all, and then you can now select the type of product you want to buy. When you click purchase all, it brings you to this page and you can select what you want to buy. So these are the products available. We have cheetah, which is 8,000 naira. We have tiger monofacial, 90,000, and we have cheetah 872 million, that is 10,000. You just click on buy, whichever money you have in your wallet. When you click on buy, then your investment begins. Then you will now be getting whatever amount it is there per hour. For example, now if you have purchased 10,000 naira only, you'll be getting 12.3 naira every hour. If you purchase the one of 90,000, you'll be getting 772 naira every hour. It depends on the one you purchase. It depends on your pocket and how much you can earn. I've actually experimented with it, and this is what I've been earning every 1 hour in the past few weeks that I've been doing it. So every day you go to your home page, you see where they say my device. Click on it. From there you can go and claim all the money you have made for it. When you click on my device, it will bring you to this place that will show you all your earnings of all the investment you have. Then you click on any of the money there. Once you click on it, it will just add it to your wallet. So from your wallet you can go and withdraw it. The second way to make money on Sunpower is to click on this financial management here, and then it brings you to this page. Then you can commit a particular amount of money for a particular duration for a particular percentage. For example, if you put for 10 days you get 26%, for 30 days 160%, for 120 days 1200%, for 200 days you get 2500% return on your investment. But be careful here, don't put more than you can bear or you can afford to lose. But when you put it in that particular date that your investment matures, you get the percentage of the return according to what is on the platform. So third way to make money on this platform is to invite people. Once you click invite, you will get some percentage of whoever you invest on the program. So anytime you invite your friends and families, you will surely get paid for every money they make on this platform. This is the way to make money on this platform without making single investments. All you need to register and invite people, and you get paid.